Critical update for Bitcoin. Let's talk about the details, guys. I have identified a line that no one is talking about. Please smash the like button if you trade Bitcoin. I'm going to do this just to highlight exactly what I'm looking at. Look at this. Boom. Let's look at this, guys. Prior resistance hit. Bam. Prior support. Boom. On the other side. Prior resistance. Bam. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bam. We are now confirming that as another hit along cross trend line. Resistance to support, resistance, and bam to support. Make sure that you guys are subscribed. Make sure you turn on notifications. If you guys know our top level of membership, boom. Restricted Zone VIP, the guys in the back trading. Guys, we have a digital room where everybody trades, gets together. Shout out to all the VIP and to Angel in Bitcoin since $7.79, guys. Very exciting. Angel, hope you're doing well. And we'll talk to you soon in the live stream, we hope. In terms of this cross-trend line, be prepared, guys, because I'm going to say there's one other cross-trend line. This is not just a random line, okay? Look at this quote-unquote random line. If you guys will remember, if you've been paying attention to the channel, I'd highly suggest you do so, guys. This level of resistance, we identified this to a frustrated level of support in here, right? We identified this before it became the top of the most recent price action. Bam. We spent hours live streaming about this specific line. I wouldn't let it go, guys, and neither would the market. Boom. Very important. So when we identify a line with multiple hits, we're paying attention here, guys, big time. I've drawn out the triangle just in terms of a representation of where that line stands, okay? So in terms of that, we also have, I'd say, an equivalent pickup. If we go to the hourly, an equivalent pickup at the preceding low. It's close, okay? It's close in terms of this. The Fibonacci's haven't played perfectly, so I was like, why don't I go ahead and just bring this line to the community? So I'm excited to be able to do that. This is London with Crypto Kingdom and Bitcoin Spike. So in terms of this prior function, let's discuss this pour out that we did have. Now, I identified in a video, you guys will remember, about 17 hours ago, specific expanding diagonal. I let you guys know all the details about it in terms of what its expectations are, okay? There is a kick up before a pour down in that expectation. That's Library of Congress information. I always try and get the top shelf TA resourcing that I possibly can, guys. So the question would be for the people trading that, has it already capitulated, okay? Because this original line of support it may be a degree of uncertainty. I'm willing to give it that. After we brought that video out, the market did pour down. We streamed while it was down and out further from that expanding diagonal that it had been. But in line with this, I'd say a tight construction of this line of support and this narrow construction along the top in terms of the resistance, yes, we would pour down here. Some people may have just wanted to push that. I gave it a little bit of room because it did pick back up within that channel. So I maintained that level of support, guys, a level of support here. And to the extent that I wanted to continue to push, this was just a more significant deviation along the bottom and a pour down than we had seen previously. But yet we have more of a pickup as well. So we've picked back up into that channel. Now I'm going to bring up the preceding move, this preceding expanding diagonal. Why? Because this one was a very large pattern. I'll let you guys know, compared to this small pattern, this large pattern, boom, was like a 25+% pour down. We caught this one, okay, in terms of the pricing. You guys will just be able to remember that at 57,131, 57,000. We caught this 25% plus pour down. So this specifically structured pattern, I'm just going to say that it's more of a micro pattern. Okay, so there's less of an expectation in terms of its pour down. So to the extent that we have poured down just to this level of resistance to support to resistance, bam, and it just got us to that level. Hey, I think that's within the expectations. That conforms to the expectations of technical analysis. So as I would look at this in terms of the pricing function right now, we have on the 30-minute, okay, we have run into, I'd say, an immediate barrier we're trying to conquer, which is let's see here, guys, the 100 moving average on the 30-minute. The next level up at about that 38,888 right now, guys, is going to be the 200. We need to flip these at least on the 30-minute. We need to flip the 100, flip the 200 to get up and above in terms of reestablishing this positive trend. So that's what we're looking forward to in terms of the positive pricing. It's just those are the immediate hurdles, as you guys would say, as you guys would identify those. Plenty of price action. If you guys are looking at trading Bitcoin, there's a ton of price action, guys. It's been all over the place. So never overexposed at any higher price. Always, guys, buy at support, sell at resistance, trade your patterns, and hit your targets. This is London with Crypto Kingdom and Bitcoin Spike. I just wanted to identify this specifically. Identify this particularly very important line for the future. Make sure that you guys keep that around on your desktop, on your trading view. Just see and be prepared to operate along the residual of this line. I imagine that orders are stacked up right now here from buyers, guys. Just whether or not they are achieved, I imagine, guys, that they're definitely stacked up along this line right here. So pay attention to that. Also, just want to invite everybody to join our VIP level. Guys, if you've already joined Basecamp, that's the price of a stick of gum, guys. Up your game a little bit. Restricted VIP zone. We have a great group in the back. We had over 130 traders our first month, guys, more than any other channel, I think, in YouTube history, guys. So we're excited about that. I'm a former financial professional. I love just kind of upping everyone's game, okay? And this shows me that you guys want to be involved in the back. You want to beat the market, period. It's $100, guys. It's not gonna make or break your trade I'd say portfolio or your trade record on the month. We just want to make sure you guys want to be back there with us. And so shout out to the VIP. Shout out to Angel on Top in Bitcoin since $7.79. My brother, what is going on? Hope you're doing well. I hope to talk to you real soon. I'll chat to you here in a little bit. And yeah, in terms of VIP, guys, stay focused. We did catch this specific line as well. Let's look at this. We did, after the pour out in the back last night, wanted to let you guys know, yes, VIP did. We caught this specific falling wedge. So bam, we caught that in the back, and boom, nice expectation of a move to the upside. Just classical technical analysis, guys. If you are looking forward to learning, or you need a good place to call home in terms of the internet, and you want a nice place for you that you can feel happy about with the family, etc., guys, this is a good group. We're no choir boys, but hey, it's a good group, guys. As Angel would say, we're no choir boys, but hey, we maintain ethical standards within kind of expectations around in the back, etc., for all of our traders. So guys, it's London with Crypto Kingdom and Bitcoin Spike. Hope you're having a great day. We'll continue to pay attention to this price action and pay attention to those moving averages on the 100 and the 200, guys. We'll talk to you soon. It's London with Crypto Kingdom and Bitcoin Spike.